We're here in Wisconsin making Harry's sandwich.
It looked intriguing, and Jessica is originally from England, so she can get Marmite, and she likes it. I'm not that huge of a fan, but I'm going to try it.
Acquired taste. So we're going to make it. We have all the right ingredients, except for we didn't get light cream. Here's my, good thing I get a McFly picture every time I get a text message. That's not weird.
Yum. Weirdest texture.
You ready?
No.
It's not like the wasabi rolls. We can do this.
Okay.
Oh, I just got. Did I get anything on me?
A little bit. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Go.
I can't even taste the Marmite. I didn't put enough on, I don't think. Not bad.
You can taste the Marmite. It's actually good.
I can taste it a little bit.
The Marmite and the cream cheese, they just complement them each
Yeah.
other so well.
Makes it a little less sour.
It's not sour.
It's sour. Oh! I got a big bite of Marmite. Oh my god! Oh.
I think that I.
Getting the Marmite sweat.
Yeah. Well, Harry, thank you for a great sandwich. You don't like Marmite.
It's not bad. I'll get used to it.
I think it's good.